So it's Andy here for Go Nomad, aka Pigs on Bikes, and we're just having a tour in the tuk-tuk around Kiri province in northeast of Cambodia. So let's have some scenic shots here. So on this side, let's have a look. This side is pepper plantation. As you can see, the pepper growing up the tall posts. There's more pepper there. It's fronted with banana. So that's banana plants in the front, and this is rubber. This is rubber plantation there, and you can see at the bottom, about a metre up off the ground, where they've tapped the trees. Oh, just going up the hill in the tuk-tuk, changing down the gears there. Yeah, you can see at the base of the tree where they've spiral cut around the bark, and they put a coconut, half a coconut in and tie it to the tree, and the rubber sap drips into that. And let's see what else we've got. So that's banana there in the foreground, and in the back is more rubber. And this is a lot of reasons for the deforestation in this area is rubber and some pepper, but predominantly rubber and palm oil as well. So there you can see the spiral, white plastic spiral things on those trees there, and leading down into sometimes half a coconut shell, sometimes an actual proper tub. What have we got going on here? Oh, Cassava. Yeah, this is Cassava. Cassava all bundled up, and on the back of the truck there, ready to go. To market. Where will they sell that?
Selling in to Vietnam.
They're selling it to Vietnam. Yeah, okay. So this is all rubber plantation there, and in the foreground here's pepper again. Papaya tree stuck there as well, and jackfruit, and there's more papaya on the roadside front of it there. It's pretty cool. More jackfruit there on that tree. That's the big dark green trees at the front of jackfruit. That's banana there, where you got the multiple stems coming out of one base, into a bit of kind of secondary rainforest now. So all of this area of Mondulkiri was heavily bombed during the Vietnam War. So apparently there's not a lot of the primary rainforest left now. So a lot of this is secondary rainforest. It's grown in the however long, 60, 40, 20, so yeah, the last 60 years, 50, 60 years. So roads aren't bad out here. We've got some asphalt, which is quite good. Keeps the dust down. Some of the more rural parts of this don't have any asphalt at all, so we're on dirt tracks like that one there. So the previous section was in the tuk-tuk in the highlands near Mondulkiri, and this part is some footage from the minivan travelling down from Mondulkiri back into Phnom Penh, and this is about 25k out of Phnom Penh. Now you can see the difference in the agriculture here in the highlands. As you've seen, we've had a lot of
pepper, rubber, banana, papaya, and also you didn't see the cassava grown, but they do grow a lot of cassava out there. In the low-lying areas like this, it's predominantly rice cultivation. You can see this is dry season at the moment, so you can see even during dry season how much water is around in the environment here. They do grow cassava out in the lowlands. It tends to be on a larger scale, but it's predominantly rice, which is strange. Now, calorie-wise, metre square-wise, cassava actually produces more calories per metre square than rice, but the problem is with cassava is that it's got certain toxins in it that you need to leach out of it before you can eat it, which means processing cost and the time and effort to process those calories is actually much more than what it is with rice. So rice, although it produces lower calories per metre squared, it's actually more efficient calories because you don't need to process it so much. Okay, so that's why they grow rice. Pardon me. A lot of the rice that they grow here is exported to Thailand and to Vietnam, and also, of course, some of it sold on the domestic market. They also, to a certain extent, do some kind of intercropping or multiculture, I think they call it, where they, in the rice paddy, they can also grow fish as well, and also in the environment, they, you know, very wet environment, obviously they can grow fish. And another thing that I've seen is they grow ducks as well, so they tend to farm some ducks, and there's some video of that coming up shortly. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Oh, the tall trees, stereotypical to Cambodia, the tall trees are sugar palm, and they've got many uses. They use the leaves you can use for thatching, and they produce a fruit which is like a very jelly-like rambutan, if you've ever eaten rambutan. No stone in the middle. It is like a soft grape, put it like that, big as well, maybe 2 inches in diameter, and kind of flat in profile. Okay, cool, there we go. Hope you've enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe to Go Nomad, aka Pigs on Bikes. Email me at gonomad123@gmail.com, and take care and stay safe. Thank you, bye bye.